Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to help you with lesson 7.8, pages 433 to 434. This is subtraction with renaming mixed numbers. Here's our first example. As you know from the previous lesson, whenever we subtract, we first subtract our numerators. We know that we cannot take away 3 from 1. So what we have to do is we have to go next door and borrow. So these are the steps on how to do that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cross out our 5 and take 1 away from that and make it a 4. Our 1 that we take away from there simply goes in front of our fraction over here. Now what we have to do is we have to make this new fraction right here into an improper fraction. Remember, our steps on how to do that is we have to make the fraction MAD. That stands for multiply, add, and then the denominator. So we're going to multiply down low and add up high. Here we're going to do 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9. That's our new numerator. And then our denominator is going to be 8. Now we have our new problem. You can either do it right from here, or we can write it down on the side. I'm going to write it down on the side. We have 4 and 9/8. This middle part is completely done after you do that part. So we have 4 and 9/8 minus 3 and 3/8. Now we're going to subtract our numerators. And we're going to have 9 minus 3. That we can do. So we fixed it. 9 minus 3 is 6. Our denominator stays the same, which is 8. And then we're going to subtract our whole numbers, 4 minus 3, and that's 1. So our answer is 1 6/8. We're going to do the same steps on this problem. We know our first thing that we have to do is to subtract our numerators. We cannot take away 6 from 4, so we have to go next door and borrow. We're going to cross out our 3 and make it a 2. That 1 we took away from there, we're just going to put right here in front of our new fraction. So this is our new mixed number right here, but we need to make it an improper fraction so we can subtract the fraction below it. Our steps to do that, we have to make the fraction MAD. So we're going to multiply, add, and then bring our denominator over. So first thing we're going to do is 12 times 1, which is 12, plus 4, which is 16. So our new numerator is 16, our denominator is 12. Now that we do that, we're completely done with the middle part. We can scratch that out and rewrite our new problem off to the side. Our new problem now is 2 and 16/12 minus 1 and 6/12. We're going to subtract our numerators, 16 minus 6, which is 10. And then our denominator is going to be 12 because it stays the same. Now we're going to subtract our whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1 10/12. This can be kind of tricky, but if you follow the steps and you practice a lot, you will understand it. I hope this helps. Have a good day.